Everyone, I'm here today to talk about one of our brand new products from Norwex, and that is the window cloth mop pad. We all love the mop system. Here's another new pad to use with it to make you love the mop even more. This is like the window cloth, but it's on a mop pad. So you see some of my windows here, the one down there in the middle, I can never reach without having a really big ladder. And I did that in no time at all. So now it's clean. I always hate that window is never clean on the outside, but now I can have it clean. So first of all, we're going to start with our blue, the wet mop pad. Get it good and wet. We're going to attach it to your mop pad. And we're going to clean this window that is so big. So it works great for hard to reach windows as well as the big windows. I'm going to just swipe that. Got a couple of bug marks on here, so I'm going to use my rubber ball to rub on that. Keep washing this. Clean the whole door. Okay. Take that off. Attach the window mop head to it. Polish and dry it just like you would with your window cloth. Now you get birds running into this, making more of a mess. Beautiful. Again, that's the brand new window cloth mop pad from Norwex. So it does have the back lock in it. So once it's wet, the water's going to activate that back lock, the silver in it, to purify it. Otherwise, you can toss it in the wash with all the rest of your Norwex. So get those windows sparkling. Have a great day.